All right, guys, we're doing the 8th hard request on the 2018 list. The Who again, and the song is Getting in Tune. We just did The Song Is Over, so now another Who song. Great piano part on this one if you haven't listened to it lately. Here we go. Singing this note cause it fits in well with the chords I'm playing, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part one lesson here, but all of the lessons for this, and they are extensive. There's a lot of cool right hand stuff, some blues licks and stuff in this one all the way through the end, especially at the end of this song. So that's all on webpianoteacher.com right now. It works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone. I've been doing this for 11 years online. I've been teaching for 30-something years in my life, but thousands of lessons on there. If you like this song, this lesson, I have a lifetime of music on there for you to learn by ear. A lot of people, that's the only way to learn is by ear, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm one of those people. So let's get started. We have an F chord to begin with, A, C, F, 1, 2, 5. Left hand is on just a single F. We're going to do that figure 4 times. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And make sure you don't rush. When things are easy, we tend to kind of go faster, especially keyboard players. We have to hold back and don't rush. Hold the pedal down for that. And those are eighth notes, of course. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And so then we go from an F chord to a suspended F chord, B flat C F. It's suspended because the B flat is suspended above the A, which is a natural note of the chord. Then we have F still on the left hand, 3 times for that one. 1 and 2 and 3, and then the 4th time we do it, ba ba ba. We do G F in the left hand, da da da. So from the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and da da da. And then we do it again. All right. I don't have I usually put a bracket and then a 2 there. I forgot to do that, but I'll fix that, so in lesson 2 you'll see that on the board. But we need to do that again for the intro, 2nd time. Then the singing starts. So you got that? Do that part 2 times, and I'll correct that on the board when we get in lesson 2 on Web Piano Teacher. But then we start singing. I'm singing this note because it fits in well with the chords I'm playing. How far I got to go up. Okay, and I do all this by ear. I just listen to the thing and write down what I hear. And that's why you don't find this in music notation or whatever, because you can rarely find someone transcribing accurately what the artist is actually playing, right? We all want to play what they're playing. So it's kind of what I specialize in. So here the singing starts, same chord, da 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 da. And this is also the same when you go to your suspended chord, 1 and 2, and but on count 3, we're going to jump up an octave and play that B flat C up high, and then back down, bum ba ba. So starting there, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, da da, and then we'll go on after that on the website. But starting there again with the singing this note cause it fits in well with the chords I'm playing. Very neat. All right, so just to recap, let's do it all again from the very beginning. Intro. Repeat that. Go, and it gets more difficult with all of the solo stuff later on. Okay, but there's your part 1 lesson, and I hope you guys enjoyed that and have a great rest of the day. Talk to you later.